When it comes to retirement savings, one of the most important factors to consider is how taxes will impact your nest egg. Tax-efficient mutual funds can be an excellent tool to help you grow your wealth without getting hit by unnecessary taxes. But what exactly are tax-efficient mutual funds, and how can they help you save for retirement? The key to tax-efficient mutual funds lies in their ability to minimize the taxes you owe on dividends, capital gains, and interest income. By focusing on funds that make smart tax decisions, you can keep more of your returns working for you. And while tax-efficient mutual funds can help in the short term, they really come into play in the long-term growth of your retirement savings. But before diving in, let me quickly mention something that can offer even more protection for your wealth: gold IRAs. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get a free guide on why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs. This is especially crucial if you have over $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or even if you're one of the many retirees with $5 million or more in savings. Now let's continue with tax-efficient mutual funds, and I promise this will be just as valuable. When we talk about tax-efficient investing, one key thing to remember is that not all mutual funds are created equal. Some mutual funds are more tax efficient than others because they are designed to minimize taxable distributions. For example, index funds tend to be more tax efficient compared to actively managed funds. Why? Because index funds track a specific market index and don't require as much buying and selling of individual securities. This lower turnover means fewer taxable capital gains distributions. Another great option is tax-managed funds. These are mutual funds specifically designed to minimize your tax burden. They use strategies like tax loss harvesting, where they sell investments at a loss to offset gains elsewhere in the portfolio. These funds can be especially beneficial in taxable accounts because they help reduce the amount of taxable income you generate from your investments. Now, if you're looking for a tax-efficient strategy for your retirement accounts, consider the benefits of placing your mutual funds in a tax-deferred account, such as a traditional IRA or 401k. These accounts allow your investments to grow without being taxed until you withdraw the money in retirement. If you have a Roth IRA, you can also avoid paying taxes on your investment gains altogether. So, if you're not already using a tax-advantaged retirement account, this is an essential step to take toward tax efficiency. However, no matter how tax efficient your mutual funds are, one of the best ways to shield your wealth in retirement is to consider a gold IRA. Unlike mutual funds or other stocks, gold IRAs provide a hedge against inflation and can protect your wealth from market volatility and unnecessary taxes. Many American retirees with 100K or more in their IRA or 401k, or those with significant savings, are turning to gold IRAs as a way to secure their financial future. With a gold IRA, you're diversifying your retirement savings and safeguarding against potential market crashes that could erode the value of your traditional investments. If you're wondering how this applies to you, the first link in the description will show you why thousands are making the switch to gold IRAs for ultimate protection. By using tax-efficient mutual funds, along with the strategic use of tax-deferred or tax-free accounts, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, more secure retirement. But for retirees with significant assets, a gold IRA is worth serious consideration. Yes. It's a great way to protect wealth and add a layer of security in retirement that mutual funds just can't provide. If you're serious about safeguarding your wealth, especially if you have more than 100K in your IRA or 401k, or up to $5 million in savings, don't miss out on the opportunity to get your free gold IRA guide. The link is in the description. It's the perfect next step for American retirees looking for ultimate protection. This combination of tax-efficient mutual funds and gold IRAs will give you the peace of mind you need as you move toward a stable, prosperous retirement. Don't let taxes eat away at your hard-earned savings. Take action today and protect your wealth for tomorrow.